I'm currently in the Atmospheric Memory exhibition. It's a collection of video works by media artist Rafael Lomas Hemer, who's a Mexican-Canadian artist. His company Antimodular and Factory International in the UK brought the exhibition out to Australia for us to install. The Atmospheric Memory exhibition is very AV intensive, with lots of large screen projections and audio throughout the spaces. When I was first approached by the artist about the equipment that we needed to use in atmospheric memory, they had specified a particular brand of projector that was no longer available, and I had a look at what was currently available locally, because we had to source a lot of the equipment locally. And I looked at the criteria that the artist wanted, and I found that the Epson PU 2220B model, it's a 20,000 lumens projector, fitted the bill because of its compact size, its weight, and its 360-degree orientation for installation was fantastic. Throughout this exhibition, there's 24 projectors. There's a few of them that are just standalone projections, but there is one experience called the chamber, where we have 16 projectors. 14 of those projectors are actually mounted 12 metres high, and they're to cover the floor and walls in the whole space. The chamber is 21 metres by 11 metres by 12 metres, so it's a huge space, and it really challenged the projectors' abilities, but we made them work, and it's fantastic. Another benefit of using this model of projector, its edge blending capability. It has a fantastic range of horizontal and vertical keystone correction, which we really pushed to the limit because of the distances and size of projections that we ended up using, but we were still able to maintain a seamless projection that was sharp and crisp across the wall. We also chose a number of Epson lenses to go with them for the chamber. In this case, we settled on the Epson ELPL W08 wide throw lens, which is a fantastic lens, and we really challenged that lens as well for the distances between the projector locations and the walls that we're projecting onto and the floors. During the last couple of weeks of installation of the exhibition, the artist Rafael came on site and was absolutely amazed by the clarity and the brightness of the projection in the chamber space. This is the third iteration of his artworks, and this is the largest projection space that he's done to date, and he absolutely loved what we were able to achieve with those projectors.